Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of vocabulary fun. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is beneath. It's a C1 level preposition meaning under or below something. So, beneath essentially tells us where something is in relation to something else, specifically in a lower position. Now, let's delve a little deeper. Beneath indicates a position that is lower than something else, often implying that one thing is covered or supported by the other. You might hear it used in descriptions of landscapes, emotions, or even abstract concepts. For instance, you could say the cat is sleeping beneath the table, or he felt a simmering anger beneath his calm exterior. The word adds a layer of sophistication and precision compared to simpler words like under. Let's explore some synonyms that share a similar meaning with beneath. One synonym is under. The treasure was buried under the old oak tree. Another is underneath. She found her keys underneath a pile of clothes. Another possibility is below. The temperature is below freezing. While these words are often interchangeable, beneath can sometimes imply a more significant difference in level or a sense of being hidden or obscured. Consider the sentence, "The truth lies hidden beneath layers of deception." While you could use under here, beneath adds a subtle nuance of something being deeply concealed. Now, let's switch gears and look at some antonyms words that have the opposite meaning of beneath. One antonym is above. For example, the birds were flying above the clouds. Another is over. The plane flew over the city. Another possibility is on. The book is on the table. These words all indicate a position that is higher than something else, directly contrasting with the meaning of beneath. Think of it this way. If something is beneath something else, it's not above it. The relationship is inverse. How can we use beneath in our everyday lives? Well, it comes up more often than you might think. You might say, the roots of the tree spread far beneath the surface. This is a simple and direct use of the word. Or, consider a more figurative usage. She sensed a current of sadness beneath his cheerful demeanor. This shows how beneath can be used to describe hidden emotions or feelings. You might also hear it in expressions like acting beneath oneself, which means behaving in a way that is not worthy of your character or position. Let's look at some more usage examples. The river flowed beneath the bridge. This shows a physical location. He felt the weight of responsibility beneath his shoulders. This describes a burden. The secrets were buried beneath years of silence. This refers to something hidden and obscured over time. They searched beneath the rubble for survivors. This depicts a scene of searching. Her loyalty lay beneath her initial reluctance. This indicates a hidden commitment. So, to recap, beneath is a C1 level preposition that means under or below something. We explored synonyms like under, underneath, and below, and antonyms such as above, over, and on. We also looked at how beneath can be used in both literal and figurative ways to describe locations, feelings, and hidden aspects of situations. We hope you found today's exploration of beneath insightful and helpful. Now, before we wrap up, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and continue their vocabulary journey with us. We really appreciate it. And for an extra challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word beneath and share it in the comments below. Let's see how creatively you can use this word in different contexts. We can't wait to read your sentences. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time for another exciting word adventure. Join us tomorrow at 3 p.m. for another word journey.